Did you teach yourself English?
No, you know, English I think it's the most difficult language.
Yeah, it's hard.
First time when I come to United States and learning, I just hello, my name is Jackie Chan. You know, I don't know how to order food.
Yeah.
Yeah, and because like my babysitter, he go away just by myself. I'm very hungry. Then I see the restaurant. Then people were on the line. Okay, then I'm not going. Then I've been practiced the whole night.
You're right.
Yeah, and bacon toast milk sandwich.
Right.
Bacon toast milk sandwich. Okay. Next morning I get up because the jet lag. I was get up early in the morning, like at 6 o'clock. I wait on the line. Then the actress, the waitress,
waitress, same thing.
She sent me to the table.
Yeah.
Then she gave me a menu.
Yeah.
Then I pretend to see the menu.
Yeah, you're reading it.
Yeah. I don't know how to read.
Right.
Pretend to
okay.
see the menu.
Yeah.
Then later on she coming back. Whatever she say something, I say okay. Milk, toast, bacon, and egg.
Good.
Yeah, good.
Yeah.
Then she said, "How would you like the egg?" Huh? Egg. Yes. How would you like the egg? No egg. Milk bacon sandwich. Very difficult.
Difficult.
Yeah.
And did you study it in school, or you just learned it as an adult?
No, I learned from TV.
From TV.
Yeah, from TV.
That's right.
And American movies, and just American songs.
Yeah.
Yeah. I like to, because like hello, ladies, you are always on my mind. You are always on my mind. You know, I learned from songs and
don't listen to rap, you could get in trouble. You start saying that kind of stuff.
If you speak too fast, I really don't understand. Yeah.
I'm sorry. Oh, not me, other people?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I talk fast because of New Yorkers, you know. New Yorkers generally talk very fast. It's hard for people to understand, even Americans.
But your English is okay.
Mine is okay?
Yes.
Thanks a lot. My Chinese isn't so good.
American people very polite, you know. They open the elevator.
Yeah.
They always say good morning. Then I say hi, good morning. Where are you from? From Hong Kong. Hong Kong is a nice place. Blah, blah, blah. Yeah. But next time the people walk in the elevator, I just pretend to tie my shoes.
Or you can always say bacon, egg, toast, milk.
Every 6 o'clock in the morning, you see everybody in the 飲茶, Chinese 飲茶. You go in, you sit down, you have to pay. Then I just standing here. Come, no, I'm ready to eat. Yeah, I just standing here. I just pretend I'm eating. Then I just, come on, hurry up, 6 o'clock. Before they cash, then I sit down. Come on, let's go. Then, okay, after they pay, go. Let's just go. Wow, nobody eat? That's how I survive in the morning. We never drop one rice on the table. And we will put the shoes like this. Whenever I go back my home, I see my son's shoes, one like this, one like this. One socks, not the socks. No discipline. Yeah. When first day when I see him in US, hi there. Then I just standing up. Because we learn this kind of very traditional, when we see old people, elderly like this, we're helping people. When he do this, yeah. Don't move, talk to me. They don't know how to talk. Yeah. I remember one day I had a meeting with Steven Spielberg. Wow, Steven Spielberg. How can I start the conversation? Then wow, Steven Spielberg, for me, he's a god, you know, all the movie he made. And I would sit in the meeting room, the door is open, he just walking, I said, wow, big fan. And I have a question. What question? How can you make the dinosaur human with the camera move? I said, Jackie, so easy. No computers. I just do this. Can I ask you a question? I said, what? How you jump from here to there? I said, more easy. Rolling action jump hospital.
said you were afraid of horses.
Yes.
Yes?
I remember when I was young, was a stuntman on the set. When director said, "Anybody know riding horses?" 20 stuntmen. Everybody raised their hand, except me. Then I said, "Okay, I should raise my hand because when you get on a horse race, you have double pay, about $30 US."
Wow.
But I said, "Wow, everybody know," but I didn't get picked up. So all my friends get on the horse, rolling action, they all gone. I just, okay, I'm waiting. Suddenly, all the horse coming back empty. Then I look back, all my friends, broken arm, broken ankle. Then from that time, I never raised my hand again.
Really?
I scared about horses. I just scared. You know, when I get on, I said go, he stop.
Yeah.
When I say stop, he go. Turn left, turn right. He doesn't.
Well, you're talking in Chinese. You have to speak English to the horse. That's what it is.
You know my teacher how to hit me?
How? With the wood.
Yeah. No yowling. No up. No tear. And up. The first one, okay. I just do this. Then he said, remember, okay? Don't do it next time. Okay?
And still no.
Then the second one, he just no, again. He wanna hit me 10 times. But each time is again. But after 3 times my tear come out. No. Wipe. Okay, start all over again. 1. At the end I looked at him, I just 2, 3, 4, at 10. Then I look at him. I really feel surprised why they give an Oscar to me. I just making a cheap comedy action movie. I never thought one day I received the phone. They said, "Oh, Jackie, your Oscar." He speaks so fast the English. I just I thought they want me present the Oscar. Thank you. Okay. Keep the secret. There's something like a keep the secret. I said, okay. I just still don't understand what movie no, there's no movie. What movie? Then about 24 hours later, boom, announced. Then I got an Oscar. There's why I'm got an Oscar? Oh, Life Achievement Award. Wow. Unbelievable. I remember long time ago, my English is so bad in that time. Your Royal Highness?
Yes, Your Royal Highness, yeah.
And then I have to remember, Your Royal Highness, Your Royal Highness. Then it's, when we're playing around, Queen's coming. Then everybody, what should I say? Then I see the Queen, stop, so quick. You know, then I said, okay. Then when she come, You're right. Immediately bow.
Too low.
She's still standing there. The people into the Jackie Chan, she keep talking to me. My head is empty. I don't know what she's talking about. Honestly, I said, go away. Leave me alone. Really? Of course, I'm so happy. 1 year later, I just call my office. Jackie, I want you to do the Karate Kid. I said, okay. Who's the teacher? I thought I'm the Karate Kid. I already forget how old I am. I still think I'm the kid. I said, no, you're the teacher. I said, what? Oh. This is why I always tell the people, not because one thing fall down, you just give up. Never give up. One day you will succeed. Whatever you want to do, I always tell the students, whatever you do when you're young, do it. You might get hurt. Between 10 or 20, 10 years, learn whatever you can. Those years, like me, I just do. 10 years later, now, forever. The things you learn, the success I have, forever. Don't regret one day, I should do it right now. No, it's too late. Do it when you were young. Your daddy was a policeman?
15 years, LAPD.
My father was also a policeman.
Your daddy was a cop?
Not a cop, an officer, a legend, all over Hong Kong.
My daddy a legend, too.